Hello. Today we prepare another first dish. That's lasagna with saffron having inside a flan of yellow pumpkin, some pieces of sausage and some noodles of vegetables at marjoram style. And then we put buttermilk curd cream on it. The ingredients are the following: some thin layer of lasagna. Here's the flan of pumpkin. To have this flan of pumpkin we have used some onions, some pumpkin already peeled, oil of first quality olive. We have to put everything in the saucepan and let cook it until the pumpkin melts completely. Then we mix everything. We add some red of egg. We put it in these cooking vats we greased before, and we let steam it in oven at 170 degrees about 10 minutes. Then we let it make cold and finally we have our flan. The other ingredients we need are some Ragozin sausage minced and flavored with red wine, kitchen salt, and wild fennel, some buttermilk curd cream, noodles of vegetables. In this case we use some carrots and courgettes. Here are some noodles of greens made with peeler. And at last a trickle of oil of first quality olive. Let's start cooking the lasagna. And while lasagna cooks we prepare the rest of ingredients. Let's brown the sausage in a small frying pan, always with a trickle of oil of first quality olive. We break through it completely. We let brown it about some minutes. In order to preserve the flavor of wild fennel and the wine. When sausage is ready we put it in our container. In another small frying pan we brown the noodles of greens. We put a trickle of oil in each frying pan. While the oil warms up we go to warm up the buttermilk curd cream. Then let's fry the noodles. We don't salt them now but last in order to let the noodles a bit crisp. In the meantime we take off the lasagna. Let's compose the lasagna. Let's take the lasagna. Then let's take the aluminium vat. Then let's insert inside it the lasagna we boiled before. Let's take the flan of pumpkin. Let's cut it in 2 parts. We insert it inside. In the center of the flan of pumpkin we put the sausage we scalded before. And let's cover it with the other part of flan. And let's close the lasagna completely. The soft pressure. And let's suffocate the whole with a food film. This pie must be steamed in the oven at 100 degrees about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the pie is ready. Let's complete the dish. Then let's take the buttermilk curd cream we prepared before. Let's prepare always a small basis before. Let's put on it the pie. Let's upset it directly on the buttermilk curd. Let's put on it the noodles of greens. Now we can add the kitchen salt. And complete it with some leaves of fresh marjoram. And some dried marjoram. At last always a trickle of oil of first quality olive. The dish is ready.
Al centro del flan di zucca mettiamo la salsiccia che precedentemente avevamo scottato. e andiamo a coprire con l'altro mezzo flanco. Andiamo a chiudere del tutto la lasagnetta. Una leggera pressione e andiamo a fissare tutto quanto con della pellicola alimentare. Questo tortino ora va riscaldato in forno a vapore 100 gradi per 10 minuti. Trascorsi i 10 minuti è pronto il nostro tortino. Andiamo a completare il nostro piatto, quindi prendiamo la crema di ricotta che avevamo riscaldato precedentemente. Facciamo sempre una piccola base sotto. Mettiamo il nostro tortino. Lo andiamo a capovolgere direttamente sulla salsa. Mettiamo sopra le tagliatelle di verdura, in questo caso ora possiamo aggiungere il sale. Andiamo a completare con delle foglioline di maggiorana fresca e anche un filo di maggiorana disidratata. In ultimo, sempre, come faccio nei miei piatti, un filo d'olio d'oliva crudo. Il piatto è completo.